Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here with a Degusta box opening. Sneak in here. And let's see what's in this. This is the November Degusta Box. And you notice Degusta's done a little bit of rebranding with their boxes and with their name. So let's look inside. There's a little sticker this time, so the box is a little bit different inside. Now I'm just going to pull out the sheet, which I'll show you at the end. So on top we have from Pop Corners, save $1, $1, that's interesting. Expires 2/28/19 on the purchase of one 7-ounce bag of Pop Corners snacks. So that's the first thing we have in there. Now you can get your own Degusta box for a discounted price. I'll put the link right in the video description, and you can try out all these great things. Oh yes, I love when they have the mini panettones. So we've got a Baduco mini panettone. These are so good with your coffee in the morning. I mean, I was raised with the panettone. I'm Italian, the big ones. They are so delicious with your coffee in the morning, or even kids with hot cocoa. Love panettone, and this is a special little panettone. It's so cute, and it's the only cake that's like not regifted. The only fruit cake, they should say, that's not regifted. So everybody loves panettone, and has a to and from there, so you can give someone a little gift. Very, very cute. And let me give you the retail price on that panettone. It's $2.99. Panettone is a traditional Italian holiday cake made with care in a process that takes 52 hours. This mini panettone is the bite-sized version of the delicacy, perfect for on the go and as a gift option for the holiday season. Let's see what else we have. Okay, so we have Pop Corners. This right here, these are $3.29 for a 7-ounce bag. But this is a 0.5 ounce bag. These, okay, so Pop Corners are a delicious, wholesome snack made with non-GMO corn sourced from their network of family farmers from right here in the USA. So I'm sure we probably have more. They usually give us, yes, I'm right. So we have kettle corn flavor, and we have, whoops, 3 packs. Just lost our coupon. So we've got 3 packs of those. Might have more, I don't know. We'll see. Okay. And this is a movie, I was told this is a movie night theme. So we're going to have, I can tell you, lots of snacks and probably lots of popcorn snacks. So this is Popcorn Indiana. $3.39 is the retail price. These are little pieces of art, but instead of paint we use dark and white chocolate, and instead of canvas we use popcorn. The white and black drizzle corn is rich dark chocolate and luscious white chocolate drizzled all over crunchy kettle corn. It's a sweet and salty masterpiece. My husband is going to, my kids are going to fight me for these, but I'm definitely going to have some of these. I love when there's a little chocolate on popcorn. So these are kettle corn flavored chips, and this is kettle corn flavor popcorn, and I am going to put you over here for a minute. So every time I move this box. Okay, so let me see what's next. So there's lots of great snack ideas in here for a movie night. We definitely are having a movie night with The Incredibles 2, which is available tomorrow. Right now on our blog, you can go and enter a giveaway to win your own Incredibles 2 Blu-ray combo pack. So, okay, we have Wholesome Goodness Tuxedo Mix, 5 grams of protein per serving. I love trail mixes. This is Tuxedo Mix, brings together delicious yogurt-covered raisins, and peanuts with crunchy dark chocolate-covered soy nuts and infused roasted peanuts for an incredible flavor combination, an exciting way to energize your day. Okay, that's that. And those retail for $1.25. Oh wow, this is something. This is a great box. This might be the best Degusta box ever. Here we have Grand Belgian Specialties, the Grand Assortment of Assorted Chocolates. The Grand Assorted Chocolates box gives you a variety of 16 pure Belgian chocolates, or pralines as we like to call them, which are engineered for enchantment. Their signature chocolate recipes are tested for taste, bite, and the perfect amount of shine. $6.99 is the regular price on these. So let's put those there. And let's see. Okay, this is interesting. Chickpea mac and cheese is everything you crave in a comfort food, but without the guilt. They paired their organic, nutritious, gluten-free chickpea lentil pasta with a clean, organic cheese sauce that you and your family will love. Not just better for you, good for you. I'll have to swap this out and see what my family thinks of this. 19 grams of protein, so that's really good. This has a retail value of $3.99. Alright. Let's go in here and see what else we have. Pearson's Coconut Patty Minis are small discs that pack a powerful punch containing coconut and chocolate, an incredible rich dark chocolate. $1 for the coconut patties. But we also, whoa, I am just not doing too well right now. I'll move the stuff back and show you everything. Oh, we have another one of the popcorners, so that's 4 popcorners bags in there. And then we have the Pearson Mint Patties Originals, $2.49 for the mint patties, medallion shaped for a reason. Mint patties are filled with creamy centers and made of aromatic, rich peppermint oil covered in rich dark chocolate. So that is good. Now let's see if I can dig in here without dropping something. Okay, so you get a lot in here, you can see, for the money. So now here we have Bush's Best Bean Dip, $2.49 each. Nobody knows beans better than Bush's, family owned and operated on tables across America for over 100 years. These tasty bean dips are packed with flavor. You can feel good about serving Bush's Bean Dip to family and friends because it's low sodium, trans fat free, and has no added sugar. Okay, so box will include 1 package of either the original or the black bean dip. We've got the original. So I think we went through everything that's in here. Oh no, we still have something else. Let me go back here. I think we have something else. No, we don't. Let me see. I just want to take this down so we don't lose anything. Yes, we do. Okay. So we have these Nutiva Coconut Oil Buttery Flavor and Nutiva Coconut Oil Refined. I've never seen the buttery flavor. Well, let's read about these. We might have one more in there because I'm showing 3 here. Hang on, let me just make sure so we don't get these greeneries out here. Yes, there is one more in there. Okay. So we have 3 Nutiva. Last but not least, we have 3 Nutiva packets, coconut oil. So we have Nutiva's organic culinary oils give you more ways to cook healthy using nutritious products made organically, ethically, and without harsh chemical processing. These are a gift, so they don't even have a retail value because they're just a little gift for, you know, here in your Degusta box. There's buttery flavor, which I'd like to try. I've never seen that. Refined and virgin. So nice little gift. Let's recap everything we've got. We have our 3 packets of coconut oil. That's our gift. And then we have 4 packages of the Popcorners kettle corn snacks. We have our mini Degusta panettone. We have our Pearson mint patties, Pearson coconut patties, Chicopee macaroni and cheese mix, Wholesome Goodness tuxedo mix, Wholesome Goodness tuxedo mix. We have our Bush's bean dip in original. We have our Popcorn Indiana black and white drizzle corn. We have our Grand Belgian Specialties assorted pralines chocolates. We have our coupon for $1 off the purchase of any one 7-ounce bag of Popcorners. And there we have our Degusta box for the month of November. You can get your own, and you can have all these great things in it by clicking on the link in the video or going to the website. The link will take you to the website. It's a special link, special price that I have, and if you'd like to support that link, that would be great. Helps me out a little bit, so I can help you out a little bit. And it's for a special price. I believe it's $12.99 now. You can get this, and there's no additional shipping or handling or anything. So check it out, guys. Let me know if you are going to order it, or if you already have a Degusta box coming, or what you think of it. I'd love to know that. But yes, all of these great things could be headed to your mailbox. And, you know, you can check it all out. Let me know what your favorite thing was. Let me know what your favorite item here was. And again, thank you so much for watching. You could check out, if you like Degusta Box, lots of other great Degusta hauls. And again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great one, guys. Bye-bye.